The treeless grasslands. Get started. In this lesson you will read about a wheat-producing region. How much do you know about wheat? Wheat is a food, cash crop. Tamil Nadu, Punjab is the largest wheat-producing state in India. Wheat grows best in cool and moist, hot and wet climate. North, South India is largely a wheat-consuming region. Grasslands are large plains of grass. They are found in warm and dry places. In these areas the rainfall is too little for forests to grow but just enough. To prevent the land from turning into a desert, there are very few trees and bushes in a grassland. Most of the grasslands are in the temperate zone and are known by different names in different continents. The prairies. The prairies are a vast stretch of gently sloping temperate grasslands in North America. Prairie is a French word which means grassland. Location. The prairies extend from Canada in the north to Mexico in the south, covering the whole of central USA. Land. The prairies were once covered with thick, tall grasses. Today, these flat and fertile lands are the biggest farming regions of the world. The Mississippi and the Missouri are two big rivers that flow through this region. Climate. In the prairies, winters are cold and summers are hot. Rainfall is moderate, about 52 to 70 centimeters, and occurs mostly in the summer season. Vegetation. A wide variety of plants grow in these grasslands. Trees are rare in the prairies, except along the rivers. Grass grows quickly during the spring season and changes to hay in autumn. Fact-wise. The Mississippi is the longest river in North America. It rises in Lake Itasca and drains into the Gulf of Mexico. Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn describes people and places along this river. Wildlife. The animals that live here have adapted themselves to the semi-arid climate. They can withstand very hot summers and freezing cold winters. The prairies also have meat packing factories, dairy farms and flour mills. Many minerals are found here. Lignite coal, mineral oil and natural gas are mined in large quantities. Gold, silver and potash are also mined here. The availability of these minerals has led to the development of ore crushing factories and oil refineries. An extensive network of roads, railways and canals in the region coupled with industries have made the prairies one of the most industrialized regions in the world. Economic activities. The prairies are intensively cultivated. Corn, maize, is cultivated in the eastern part and wheat in the central part. Cattle is reared in the western part. Farmers produce enough wheat for the whole country and also for export. That is why the prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Other crops grown here are barley, rye, oats, lentils, mustard, peas and beans. Life of the people. European settlers transformed vast grasslands into farmlands, with an average farm spanning thousands of hectares. Farmers, Their families and workers, helpers reside on the farms in homesteads. All farming tasks, including plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, and storing food grains in silos, are mechanized, requiring only a few workers. The land to the west is hilly, characterized by coarse and less fertile soil. Animals are raised on large open ranches, primarily cattle for meat and milk. Most meat is consumed locally, with the remainder being exported. Numerous modern dairy farms, often located near cities, have facilities for milk processing, and machines have largely replaced manual labor in these operations. Words to know. Homestead, a house built on a farm with buildings around it. Silos, tall cylindrical buildings generally used to store food grains. Quick recap. The prairies are situated in the central part of North America. They are vast, treeless grasslands. The main crops cultivated are wheat, maize and barley. The farms are very big. Machines are used to do all farming work. Ranching is an important occupation here. Cattle is reared for milk and meat.